In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily delete your profile picture on Facebook. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, guys. I'm going to show you all the process from the beginning, and first off, we need to open up Facebook app. Once it is done, tap right here at your profile picture to head over to your Facebook profile page. After that, tap at your profile picture again and then select See Profile Picture. After that, you will be able to see your current profile picture, and if you swipe left, you will be able to get access to all your previous profile pictures. As you can see here, I got 13 profile pictures, and the latest is used as my current profile picture. Then, once you find one you would like to delete, tap right here at three dots, select Delete Photo. It will ask you, are you sure you would like to delete photo and post? I'm going to tap at Delete, and basically, guys, that's it. In this way, we can delete our profile pictures one by one. Just keep doing the same steps. If this video was helpful for you, don't forget to hit the like button.